So if you're having an issue where you can't run a certain application or a software on your PC, when you try to run the software, it tells you the code execution cannot proceed because runtime 140 blah 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 /1.dll was not found. I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly in this video. Click the link in the description, you go down there and install the 64-bit version. I recommend you install both the 64-bit and the 32-bit version, which is x86 for 32-bit and x64 for 64-bit. The software might need both of them, so it's just a little exe, 24 megabytes. Just run it. I'm going to use the 64-bit version here in this video. So when you click on it, wait for it to install. It's going to take a little time. After installation is done, go back to your software and run it. Everything should be working perfectly right now. As you can see here in this video, that's fixed my issues. So this is how you fix it really quickly without any problem. I'm going to set it up here. So if this works for you, if the video worked for you, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Peace out.
Instead of putting myself down and playing it quiet.